Hey, good morning. No, it's all good right now. Yeah, yesterday I couldn't stream anything. I was switching my setup to a different room because it's extremely hot in here, and they're still doing construction. So hopefully they stop. Let's see what's going on today. Today's what the 29th, 29th. Let's wait for everyone to get in. Hey, okay, so good morning, everyone. It's already 6:30. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. Um, Hope everyone's doing okay. Yesterday I couldn't stream. I was switching setups to a different room, and I ended up not setting it up because it was extremely hot in there, and I wasn't even getting signal. So this room has my router, so also it's not as hot, and I'm hoping there's not gonna be construction going on. Guys come at 6 in the morning and start breaking everything. But yeah, yesterday anyway was a very rangy day, same as as um, as last week, right? So we're kind of like having the same continuation as last week. If you guys see gold on the 4 hour, you can clearly see that this is a mess, very hard to get a trade in. And that's one of the main pairs that we focus in, right? Gold and GJ so far. Let's see on the daily what's going on. Um, Pretty decent moves, not gonna lie. Um, since yesterday, kind of difficult, but still in the same vicinity range. If you guys see here on the daily, from Thursday last week, Wednesday, still going down to 153 flat, and now I think we're getting some sort of support built, and let's see what's what the formation is by 8 a.m. If we start breaking below here, then definitely I'll be looking for sales. If you look here on the 4 hour, we are in a um in oops, let me take this off, in a bearish trend. Same as the daily. If you see here, we have created that high. Looks like we've created a low down here. If we maintain to hold that high down here and create the next lower low, well, somewhere between here, maybe getting a wick fill, I can see that GJ will be continuing down. If we hold that support down here and we start breaking above 155 200, which is why I have this here still, then I'm hoping that 156 will break, and that will be the final target for GJ to continue moving up. You guys can hear me good? Everyone can hear me good? So yeah, definitely I do want to see more movement. Yesterday there wasn't that much movement on gold, so I don't really feel bad for not streaming. If you see here on GJ, from 6:30 a.m. to 9, it actually just consolidated, so really not much going on. And also here with gold, but today I'm having little hope that can either continue down here on gold or continue down on GJ. So let's get it. My mic is fine. Mic is fine. Good. Okay, so for GJ, definitely want to see support. It's coming from down here. So alright, so looking for sales down below here. Good morning everyone in the YouTube channel. And for buys, probably be looking for buys above here maybe, as soon as we start breaking above this wick up here. Yeah, GJ dropped 50 pips yesterday after the NYSE here, but during the times that I stream, it didn't do anything. So I was actually looking at it. And I don't trade after 9:30. I don't really look at anything, so I would have missed it. And still looks very kind of tricky getting that drop. But today I definitely feel like we can definitely get something better. Yesterday on gold, after I think during NYSE, it failed to break 1783. Shows up here. Let's look closely. 1783. It got tapped right here. Failed to break, and that's when I gave up, because I was looking into the 15 or the 5 minute. I was looking at this as a small resistance or support from the 5 minute coming down. Oh my god, we're back destroying the street. So yeah, it failed to break. As soon as I was getting that breakup of 1783, which tapped 1782 900, I was definitely gonna hold any positions for a long-term buy. But yeah, it failed, and now we're continuing down and still ranging down here. But the good thing is that we broke below this low at 1770 71, retested it, and now I guess we're gonna continue down. So let's keep a look into the smaller time frames and see if we can break below here, or maybe we can see some sort of resistance like here being held, and now you know, price create a new lows. So as soon as we break below 1768, I think that will be a good setup for sells. And then you have, you know, one wick fill down below here at 1767 and 1765, and also 1761, and this is like the major low, major support coming from here, which is coming from all the way down here also. So let's go back onto the 15. I'm looking at this as a resistance. Moving this. And this will be the support right here. Very nice, very clear. I'm gonna set this up as a no trading zone. And this will be sell down below here. $17.68 400. And buys above here. Build a zone a little bigger than that. I'm gonna take the buys or sells above the zone or below the zone. Let's go gold in a sell. Awesome. So I'm gonna leave that for now, unless we bounce off this support and we continue up, then I'll be looking for buys. So for now it's just sells. And as GJ forms, I'm looking for sells at the break of this support, which makes sense. And you have your resistance up here. Move this up here also. Cool. This is the no trade zone. So we're gonna stay on the 5-minute here. In the meantime, if you guys got some charts you want to send them. For now, I'm just definitely gonna wait down here. And GJ, it's just ranging around there, so I wanna see a close below here. What's going on with Forex Factory? Yeah, nothing much. How would I look for sales on gold as it breaks the low? I would look for sales as it's breaking here, 1768. Look a little um way too low on the lower time frames, but I definitely want to go over this small support on the 30 minute. So I still got time. Oh, Nasdaq has moved a lot too. Wow, jeez. Yeah, it sells below 15. I mean 153 flat. Shane, makes sense. And for gold, I'm just gonna set up an alert down here. Pew. And GJ also down here. Oh, 4th of July is coming through. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th of July is on Sunday, so I'm guessing Monday will be a holiday. Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. Today's the 29th. Ba-ba-bum. Your news. Yeah, it looks like we're tapping down here. So I definitely want to see a break and a close maybe on the 5 minute. Take sells. We still got 12 minutes left until 7 a.m. And GJ bounced off of fear already. Might just consolidate a little before dropping, if that's the plan. Let me see on the 4 hour what's it's looking like. That's the thing. If this 5 a.m. Keeps holding support down here, might have a small retracement up. So I'll be looking for buys above here, 153 to 40, 200. Oh yeah, on gold, very simple. So, overall, I'm just looking at this as a resistance, most recent resistance on the 30 minute. Basically, just creating a lower low down here, lower high up here. If we keep breaking this small support on the 30 minute, you start looking into the higher time frames. You want to see another resistance being formed, and then you want to see a break below here to at least right this range down here. You know. So you got, so let me see, about 40 pips down to 1764, 1760. Definitely want to see a break below here. Getting some candles printing bearish below this range. So something like that. Bang. Just one big ass candle down here. And boom, that'll be the trade of the day. Do I plan on stream New York every day? I don't know, because I don't think I get the appreciation that I deserve. There's like there's like four other streams going on, so you don't gotta worry about me. There's a lot of people here that appreciate what I do, but a lot of other people just, I mean, pretty hard to deal with. It sucks, You do all this shit for free, you don't get paid. Um, then you have people coming out the blue saying that your bias was wrong. I lost all my money. I'm like, oh, what the fuck? Like, how is that my fault? And other people just, they just haters. They just come in here, give you a dislike and leave. I only get like 2, 3 dislikes. I don't mind about the dislikes. I guess with time and you start building up, um, the crowd. I guess if you want to call it, you have a better audience. And getting more than 400 views per day, 300 views per day. I don't give a fuck about that. If you want to tune in, tune in. If you don't, then don't. There's like literally one, two, three, like five other streams going on at the same time. Like, it's crazy. The moment Raquel left, I guess everyone like decided to take it as an opportunity, and and stream just to get the views. I don't do it for that. I don't ask anyone for handouts. I don't ask anyone. I don't tag anyone. Just I don't get reposted. It's, I don't like getting handouts. If I do something, I do it on my own. Um, sheesh, what a rejection down here, and see what's gold doing. Gold at the 1767.80. Yeah, no problem. But yeah, definitely I would try to stream as much as possible, 5 days a week, from 6:30 to 9. It's not bad. I don't mind doing it. But then you got other streams that are pretty much shitty streams that they only do it for the money and getting clients and promoting shit, and they get more views and you know Um, yeah, no, I think once 1768 below here will be better because look at that rejection. We tapped that support. This is why I didn't want to take any sales at the low here. I've seen that happen many times. You get that rejection and then you don't get that close. So I definitely want to see a break below 1768 400 and a close about below 1768 would be perfect just to hold the sales. Because from here, from that rejection, it literally moved 10 pips. So even if you look on the 1 minute right here, right at the sell point, we had that rejection. What the heck? I see some people here calling trades 10 pips on GJ. How the fuck you get 10 pips on GJ? It's impossible. Like, well, did you break? What the fuck? 615, 10 pips on GJ. How? That's why I don't post results. Yeah, man, they do it for cloud and promoting shit. If you want to do something on the stream on YouTube, on any other platform, just do it for the sake of you, and others, right? You want to help others. Don't do it for the views and the likes and promoting a product and trying to be gangster and shit. It's fucking cringy. And then you have people that come in there that just want to talk shit all they want, and it becomes a drama thing. Then if you don't control your stream, then you're fucked easily. I'm like, it sounds like monkeys in a zoo, just blah 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 blah. But yeah, we had the resistance created here on the 5 minute. So I'm hoping that the next one can break. We have a small break below the previous five, and if we break below this wick, I'll probably get an entry. And yeah, I'm gonna get an entry right now. As well, actually, no, I'm not gonna get an entry. It's actually 3 minutes till 7. I definitely don't wanna be on the last 3 minutes of the hour, so I'm gonna wait till at least we go below the zone. Yeah, I'm waiting for the close. I was talking and I didn't even realize that we're still not at 7 a.m. So yeah, just wait for that. Yeah, the 1 hour close will be a lot better, even though it's still barcoding down here. Yeah, man, I'm all about positive vibes and all that shit. Whatever. Don't mind about that. Then it's like people that come up to you and they just say something, and they don't even know what they're saying, and they say something negative and it just gets to you. They don't even know it. They're saying something negative, but it's a negative thing they're saying. Oh, like this guy has more viewers than you. How come you don't have that many viewers? Where is this guy? Why isn't he showing up to your stream? What about the other guy? What's happening to that guy? I'm like, oh, it doesn't matter, bro. Concentrate on your own shit. Shit, you have somebody here doing an analysis for you. Like, seeing this break right now, that's what I was looking for. Didn't want to get in, still got 2 minutes left, but it didn't move. If I'm doing good, then I have haters. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, that was good. GJ, the thing is that GJ was just from down here. It was like kind of hard to grab if you had sales below here. It's about 16 pips though, so that's good. Oh, oops, down below here. 12 pips, 13 pips. So I don't know how the fuck you call a 10 pip trade.